So the next type of studies are analytic studies. The name itself says that analytic, so something we are analyzing. What are we analyzing?
We're analysing between an exposure and an outcome, and we're trying to figure out whether they have any association.
Yes, in analytic studies, we are analyzing the relationship between cause and effect. What is the root cause for an effect? As simple as that. For example, greenhouse gases and global warming. You see, people doesn't know why glaciers are melting. So finally they found that increasing carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is responsible for greenhouse effect and responsible for glaciers melting. So the root cause is here carbon dioxide emission, and the effect is melting of glaciers. There is no data here, but you're analyzing something with a cause and effect relationship. That is what is analytical studies. You may be simply logically proposing an hypothesis, need not necessarily having a data. Analytical studies can be of four broad categories. Number one could be ecological studies. Number two, cross-sectional two-group studies. Number three, case control studies. Number four, cohort studies. Having said about observation studies, descriptive and analytical studies are nothing but observation studies.